Welcome to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. The highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro has finally arrived, bringing with it a whole new world of drone technology. As the latest addition to DJI's highly regarded Mini series, this drone is packed with groundbreaking features that are set to change the way both hobbyists and professionals engage with aerial photography and videography. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting, the DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers an unmatched combination of portability, powerful camera capabilities, and intelligent flight features that make it stand out as one of the most exciting drone releases of 2024. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything the DJI Mini 5 Pro has to offer, from the camera system that delivers cinema-quality footage to the safety features that make flying worry-free. The DJI Mini 5 Pro truly excels when it comes to camera performance. Equipped with an upgraded 1.28-inch sensor, this drone is designed to capture breathtaking imagery, no matter the lighting conditions. This larger sensor allows for superb image quality, with higher resolution, more dynamic range, and enhanced color depth. One of the highlights of the camera is its ability to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means your footage will not only look incredibly sharp, but will also display smooth, cinematic movements. One of the most exciting new features of the Mini 5 Pro is its FocusTrack mode, which enables the drone to automatically track a subject, keeping it in focus while you fly. With the press of a button, the Mini 5 Pro can perform QuickShots, where the drone autonomously follows pre-programmed flight paths to create dynamic, professional-looking videos. One of the top priorities when flying a drone is safety, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro addresses this concern brilliantly with its advanced obstacle avoidance system. Whether you're flying in tight spaces or busy environments, the 360-degree obstacle avoidance ensures that your flight will remain smooth and secure. One of the most significant improvements in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its extended battery life. This drone offers an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes, allowing you to capture more content without the constant need for battery changes. Despite all its advanced features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro retains its signature lightweight design, weighing in at just 249 grams. This keeps it within the limits for registration-free flying in many countries, making it an ideal choice for travelers and casual flyers. The drone's foldable design makes it incredibly compact, allowing you to easily carry it in a backpack or even a small purse. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe.